So you see that the tiny house is not that tiny, maybe, for having a New Year party. This is a tiny house actually for a yoga teacher. The areas where the wheels are of the tiny house, there's less insulation because the wheel sticks out above the bed. So that's why we built a platform. So we have a cold bridge in between that the air doesn't get that cold. In the middle, there's a technical tunnel where there's a ventilation system. So we contract from everywhere air, so we have continuous free air. And you don't see it and you don't hear the motor. But when it's needed, you hear the ventilation on. Yeah. Some other things we do is we try to create the experience for example, a kitchen. We have a kitchen in here with a sink. And when everything is closed, you don't see there's a kitchen here. So you have a space that's totally finished. What we also did is we placed the cathedral windows. What it means that when the sun turns, the shadow lines of the wooden beams will create an atmosphere in the space. Because we have a certain width that we can work on the bed, we have actually more limited space of insulation. So what we do, airtight is really important. With the membrane, all the technical lines, they're all laying inside in here, so there are never penetrations through the membrane. And then on the outside, as well as the walls, as the floor, we put roof panels that is insulated and acoustic. In this way, we don't have any cold bridges. And when we put them together, we tape the tiny totally around, so every connection is airtight. So we get the best performance out of a small section of wall. Something we see here is for the floor, we use a LVL. So it's a structural laminated beam, and they are in one piece. So they can go until 13 meters, and they're 100% straight because they are structurally engineered.